Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get my set up. Anyways, Shop Queen's live stream will start again in like another hour or so. Yeah, most likely another hour or so. I didn't have my intro done today because I'm getting a new one done, and yeah, I will get some ice cream done. I can't even talk right today. I will be getting some ice cream. That's good. I'm still trying to get a purple long, so what I'm offering is I'm offering my list. Well, I need to add that other dog masterpiece onto it, if I do say so, and a pink long. And yeah, cool giveaway. Mine didn't go through the portal. People should. I bet it's like a YouTube sponsor, like I was doing the other day. River Song. How? I don't really want to. I know they're like, if we have to go to something live, because most people do these giveaways for spikes just to, but most likely that's what this is. But I will do stuff to win, but Shop Queen is actually a good friend, and I was at one of her first live streams, which is not. I'm probably sounding like really weird right now. Go to River Song. It's obviously a live stream. River Song AJ. Obviously, way. Guys, sorry. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Well, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna get caught up in some stuff, and I'll give you some extra stuff. I know this was boring and stuff, but enter my giveaway and stuff. Boy and stuff.